Hi children, today I am going to teach the math chapter numbers. So these are the numbers we are all know from 1 to 100. So from 1 to 9, see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Up to 9, here we have only one digit. Up to 9, here we have only one digit. So from 1 to 9, these are one digit numbers. These are called one digit numbers. In this one digit numbers, the smallest number is 1. The smallest number is 1 and the biggest one digit number is 9. The biggest one digit number is 9. Then after we have 10. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 up to, see there how 99. The last two digit numbers, see there from 10 to, see here 1 to 2 digits are here and here also 9 and 1 to 2 digits are here. These are the two digits number. Two digits number starts from 10 and ends with 99. So the smallest two digit number is 10. Yes, why we write 10 to 99. These are the two digits numbers. The smallest two digit number is 10 and the biggest two digit number is 99. Then after we know 100, 99 after 100. So this is the, how many digits are there? Count here 1, 2, 3. How many digits are there? 3 digits are there. So these are the 3 digits numbers. Now we write again. The one digit number starts from 1 and ends with 9. And here the smallest one digit number is 1 and the biggest one digit number is 9. Then after the two digit number starts with 10 and ends with 99. That means here the smallest two digit number is 10 and the biggest two digit number is 99. So 99 after we have 100 number. So 100 is a 3 digit number. See here 1, 2, 3. 3 digits are there. So this is the 3 digit number. That means the 3 digits numbers starts with 100 and end with, see here 100. Then after 200, after 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900 and 999. Then after we have 1000. So 1000 is a 4 digit number. See here 1, 2, 3, 4. 1000 is a 4 digit number. That means 999. The 3 digits numbers ends with 999. So 999 after we have 1000 number. So 1000 numbers, see here how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits are there. So the 3 digits numbers is ends with 999. So here in this small 3 digits number, the smallest number is 100 and the 3 digits biggest number is 999. 999. These are the numbers from 1 to 999. My dear students, now see these numbers. Here we have 6, 7, 9, 10, 14, 15. We need to write here before numbers. So see here 6 and 7. So 6 before number we need to write here. 6 before what will come? So 5 and 9 before 8, 14 before 13. So these are the before numbers. These are the before numbers. And now in this second picture, see this 7, 8, dash 10, 11 after 13, 14 after. Here we need to write after numbers. So 7, 8, 8 after. What will come? 9. So we write here 9. 10, 10 after 11, 11 after 12. So 13, 13 after 14, 14 after 15. These are the after numbers. Now see there, 3 and 5. So we need to write here between numbers. Between numbers. And 3 and 5. In this between we have 4. So write there 4. And 10, 12. So between 11 number. So 18, 20. Between 19 number comes. These are the between numbers. So next 15, 16, 17. So here we need to write before number and after number. So 15, 17, 19. Here we need to write before number and after number. So 15 before. So this is 14 and 15 after 16. So write there 17. 17 before 16 and 17 after 18. And see here 19. 19 before number 18 and 19 after number 20. These are my dear children. Here we have some numbers. These are 6, 9, 4, 8, 1, 2. Here we need to write small to big numbers. In these numbers, so which is the smallest one? So 1 is the smallest one. First one we write 1. So it's over. Next, the remaining in these letters, which is the smallest? 2 is the smallest. So we write here 2. And then after, this is also over. And next, in these numbers, which is the smallest number? 4 is the smallest one. So write here 4. And remaining numbers, which is the smallest number? 6 is the smallest number. So we need to write here 6. And remaining only 9 and 8. In these two numbers, which is the smallest number? 8 is the smallest number. So write here 8. And the remaining number is 9. We write here 9. So see here once. 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. From smallest to biggest. This order is called ascending order. What is this? Ascending order. Ascending order. Ascending order. Again we write here these numbers from big to small. So see here, in these numbers, which is the biggest one? 9 is the biggest one. So write here 9. And the remaining numbers, which is the biggest number? 8 is the biggest number. So write here 8. And the remaining numbers 6, 4, 1, 2. In these numbers, which is the biggest number? 6 is the biggest number. Write here 6. And after 4, 1, 2. In these numbers, which is the biggest one? 4 is the biggest one. So 4 write. And the remaining is 1 and 2. In these numbers, 2 is the biggest one. So write here 2. And the remaining one is 1. So now see this form. 9, 8, 6, 4, 2, 1. From big to small. Here we have from big to small. This order is called as descending order. Descending order. So my dear children, once again you must remember, when we write from smallest to biggest, these order are called ascending order. When we write from biggest to smallest numbers, these are called descending order. Here we have a simple trick for remembering these orders. So see here in this ascending, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 numbers there is there. 9. And in this descending, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 letters are there. So here 10 letters and here 9 letters. That means The ascending orders means from smallest to biggest. We need to write here small numbers to big numbers. In descending order, here we have 10 letters. That means this is the big number. So we write here descending order means big numbers to small numbers. So this is the simple trick for remembering these orders.